few things that you should be looking at and should be entitled to. The first thing is that they're paying for your medical, so they're doing what they should do from that standpoint. Secondly, I'm assuming that they've been covering your lost wages since you've been out of work, and assuming they've been doing that, then the next thing that you may be entitled to is a permanent partial disability to the body as a whole. And what would happen is you would be sent by your doctor to another doctor that would do a rating on your injury and what kind of permanent injury you have to your hand, I think you said, but also the body as a whole. That equates into a certain number of weeks based upon what your income was when you went out of work. Those are the things that you would be entitled to, but as long as you're still having problems and as long as you are going to the doctor and out of work, you should be entitled, subject to some, I think, weeks in number, depending upon whether it's a partial or catastrophic injury, I think is what it is. That would dictate how long they will continue to pay you. But under the circumstances, if you've been out of work for a year, you're still having problems, you're still seeing a doctor, you need to go see a lawyer. Now, one thing that we talk about when we have the workers' comp show is oftentimes as soon as you get a lawyer, or really as soon as you go out on workers' comp, oftentimes you're fired. And so a lot of times, unless this is going to be a long-term injury, a lawyer sometimes will just sit back and advise you and not officially get involved in the case. And so if a lawyer gets involved, a lot of times you lose your job. So that's something that's got to be balanced when you go in and have that consultation. So go see a lawyer. It'll be a free consultation. See what they have to say about it.